I am a mother of 3. I'm a single mom.
I have a very busy life, very hectic. My kids keep me going nonstop, so.
I worked in retail for like 20 years. I put in 80 hours a week. I come home tired, wouldn't want to do anything else.
They always tell me every day, you know, Mommy, why can't I spend more time with you? And, you know, that really upsets me. So,
See, IBUUMERANG is this house that's under construction, and it's going to continue building, and more rooms that will be added. But if you only focus on getting through the front door, that's it. Travel is the front door. Perpetual, residual income builder. When people come through my house, if they only got through the front door, there's a whole lot that they're going to miss out on, the oohs and ahs. And now what we're doing is bringing the oohs and ahs. Let's get a smart technology. Let's get something that's consumable. Let's get a wearable technology. Build Genius goes to work for you. Whatever people want is what we're going to sell.
The goal is freedom. Now it's time for the next phase of evolution.
Trading foreign currency was completely foreign to me.
It's definitely something that's helped change my life. I'm forever grateful.
Because we get a chance to change our
with this
lives.
educational platform that I was introduced to has actually helped my mindset grow.
Spending more time with my family, my friends, actually exploring the world.
We all want to leave a legacy for our family.
Definitely something I think everybody should at least be knowledgeable about so they could reach their true potential in life.
Just allowing them to see the opportunity that it can provide.
Welcome to the future.